Hey guys, you're all welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be making a strawberry cake and a vanilla cake. Okay, if this is a video you would love to watch, please stick around. If you want to know how we make this yummy creamy cake, please stick around and continue watching. Okay, so right here I've already creamed my butter and sugar outside the camera and I'm whisking the egg. Okay, right inside the bucket I have 10 eggs. And for the margarine I used super delicious margarine. I used 500 grams of margarine and 500 grams of sugar. So for the flour, this is 600 grams of flour and there is baking powder inside, half teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and I'm using vanilla flavor and strawberry flavor for this recipe. Okay, for the ingredients I use, I'm going to list them in the description box. Okay, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have not given it a thumbs up, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. And if today is your first time of coming to this channel, you are welcome. Okay, consider subscribing and do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you will always be the first to get notified each time we post a new video. Okay, if you're opportune to share this video, please help me share this video so that other people can as well benefit from this video. Okay, so guys, you can see how I'm alternating the flour and the egg mixture. I'll continue doing this until I'm done, but make sure to end this process with your egg mixture. Okay, let egg be the last thing you will add before you combine and mix everything together. Hey guys, so you can see our cake batter is ready and you can see how fluffy and creamy it is. Make sure you cream your own so that it will be fluffy and light like this. Once you're using a good and a correct recipe and measurements, trust me, you're going to come out with a fluffy and a creamy cake batter. And when you bake the cake, it will be mouth watering. Okay, and it will keep your clients coming back for more. I will go ahead to divide the cake batter into two. Remember I said we are making vanilla flavor and strawberry flavor. I am using this strawberry flavor from Remy's product. Okay, this is the only product I know I've used and I can tell you to make use of this Remy's strawberry flavor. Once you add this strawberry flavor, you're good to go. You cannot add any other thing and your strawberry cake is ready. Okay, so if you don't have this Remy's strawberry flavor, please look out for it in the cake shop around your area so that you can try it out and you will love it. Okay, mix everything until it is well combined. Then you can go ahead to distribute into your baking pan. Okay, this is 8 inches pan. I'm going to be baking it with 8 inches pan. Okay, go ahead to add the strawberry batter into the pan and I will set aside. I'll go ahead to add the remaining vanilla batter into the remaining pan, and I'm going to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes, or maybe depending on your oven temperature. Okay, once you insert a skewer or maybe your kitchen knife in the cake and it comes out clean, it means that your cake is ready and you can bring it out from the oven. You see this spatula, I so much love this spatula because it will help you to scrape out everything that is in your mixing bowl. If you're a baker and you don't have this spatula, please try and get one for yourself. It is very important. You can see what it is doing. It will help you to scrape out all the batter in the mixing bowl. You know, baking things are costly and expensive now, so you do not need to waste your batter. If you don't have it, please try get it for yourself because it is going to help you. Okay, make sure to tap your batter before sending it to the oven to remove the air bubble inside the batter. Okay, so guys, here we are. Our cake is properly baked. Our strawberry cake and our vanilla cake is ready. Thank you guys for watching this video to this point. If you have really watched to this point, I really do appreciate you from the depth of my heart. Do not forget to thumbs up this video, and if you can share this video, please share this video. Try out this recipe and tell me if you don't love it. Okay, if you have any question, please drop your question on the comment section. I will attend to your question. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I think we've come to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.